Hello viewers. Today I'm going to take you through on how to do withholding payment. So we have the withholding tax on payables, the amounts you withhold when you're paying your suppliers, and probably now you want to do their payments. Now, for withholding tax payment, once you are in the accounting module, you just come to this withholding tax on payables, and then you view. So once you view, you'll have a schedule for the payments that you've done and you've withhold, probably let's say the 2%, and now you want to do the payments. So once you are in this tab, there are two options. There are options. There's the option under the control column here. So you can do, you can post single payment, or you can post batch payments. Maybe you just want to do payment for several suppliers transactions. So you can as well do batch payment, or you can as well view the CVV. So first of all, in a nutshell, let's just look at when you're doing a single payment. Let's say I want to pay this, which was 2,000. So I'll come here and select on single posting. So I'll just select the date I'm doing this transaction. Maybe it was on 14th. And then I'll write the check number or any transaction, depending on which mode you've used, payment mode you've used. And then amount due here is 2,000. So I can as well do partial payment to say if I want to do 1,000, or I can do just the whole amount. So I'll just write 2,000, and then I'll select my project, the payment mode. If it's a transfer, if it's a check, and then I'll come here and credit which bank am I using to pay. And then I'll go here and debit, which is the withholding tax on accounts payable. And then I'll just click here to autocomplete, and then I'll do my posting. So that is how probably you can do a single posting. So for our batch posting, you'll again go to the accounting tab here. Now we have 6 remaining. We had 7 here, now we had 6. We have 6. So I'll just do the same process again. I'll come here, click on view. Once I've clicked on the view, and then I'll probably, let's say I wanted to schedule this for the batch posting. So I'll go to option, and then when you try to do the batch posting, it will bring for you the date where you will select which date are you doing this payment. Let's say it's on 15th. So once I've selected that, it will disappear. But then when I come here, I'll find the date has been selected. And then I'll just click on post batch payment. So it will schedule it for 15th. And if I want to do other payments on this particular 15th, on the withholding, I'll just do a selection. Let's say I want to add this piece graph, which is 20. Remember, now we have 70, which has been scheduled. The amount is 70. So this 20, I just come here and do select. It will add. Now we have 90. Now in this tab, the first tab here shows the last transaction that has been scheduled for payment, which is the 20 that we have just selected. The second one here shows the batch payment schedule, the total schedule that has been selected. And then the column down here shows what you can still select to add on your batch payment. So on the last column here, on the first table here, you have a control of, you can cancel. let's say you had scheduled this mistakenly, you can as well cancel it like this. Let me just cancel that. So when you cancel it, it comes back down here and you remain with your 70, which has been scheduled. And the tab down here, the second table, has got option of doing the posting or viewing the payment schedule. So let's say if let's do multiple selection first, and then we see on how we can view our schedule and how we can do the posting. So far I've selected one. So let's say, I want to add this 20, or I want to add this 404 and 90. So I'll just come here and do the select. It will add. I have a right to cancel it, or I have a right to leave it. So if I want to add another one, let's say if I'm not seeing it here, I can come here and click on search, the search tab here. Let's say I want to look for accurate, and then I'll search. So it will bring for me whatever payment withholding that had been done on accurate. I can as well select it. So once I've selected it, it will be added on my withholding tax payment schedule. And this is the last transaction. This is 10 and 34 cents has been added here. Now let's say I want to view so far what the schedule looks like. I'll just come here and click on view schedule. So if I click on view schedule, it will bring for me, this is the breakdown. This is accurate, which is selected, this speed graph, which is 70, and then there is 4 and 9, which has been selected. So total of this comes to this. So as you can see here, I can cancel any that I want. This, let's say if I don't want this then lab, I can as well cancel it. So if I cancel it, then I come to view schedule, you'll find that I've remained with only this 2. So I can as well add. So that is how flexible it is. So probably once you've added and now comfortable, let me add again this speed graph. So it has been added. If I click on view, I'm able to see that I have now 3 transactions that have been scheduled for payment, totaling to 134 cents. So let's say I want to do the payment now. I'm satisfied with the selection and the amount that I paid, as the selection is adding up to the amount that I paid. Now what I'll do, I'll just come here. Remember, on this scheduled batch payment for withholding tax payable, here I'll come here and select post payment. So once I've selected post payment, it's going to bring for me the amount due fill. So the date already, remember we had set 15th. So what I'll do, I'll just write probably maybe the check number. Just write the check number. Once I've written the check number, I'll come here and select the project. And then here I'll come and do what we call the payment mode. And then I'll credit the bank that I'm using to pay this. And then I'll debit the withholding tax control. And then I'll come here and do posting. So my posting has been done successfully. So that's how we do the batch posting. So remember, in my schedule, I'm remaining with these 2. I can as well do the posting, or when you come here and check on your withholding tax on payables, and you click on view, you'll have these two that are remaining, where you can as well select a different date, let's say on 17th. Sorry, so it's selected, and then I'll select the batch posting. I can as well select this one. Now I'm remaining with 0, and I can as well do the posting, or I can cancel. Thank you.